For coffee enthusiasts, the pursuit of the perfect cup is never-ending. The Agogo Pour-Over Coffeemaker Set Classic Series offers an excellent blend of traditional brewing methods and modern convenience, making it an ideal choice for those who appreciate the art of brewing. If you're in the market for a coffee maker that delivers exceptional flavor, ease of use, and elegant design, the Agogo Pour-Over Coffeemaker Set might just be what you've been looking for. This review dives into the features, performance, and overall value of the Agogo Pour-Over Coffeemaker. Spoiler, it's an excellent investment for anyone serious about coffee. Why choose the Agogo Pour-Over Coffeemaker Set? The Agogo Pour-Over Coffeemaker combines a sophisticated brewing process with simplicity, making it perfect for both experienced coffee aficionados and those new to pour-over coffee. From the high-quality borosilicate glass to the inclusion of all necessary accessories, this set ensures a premium coffee experience right out of the box. Here's why it stands out. 1. Elegant design and build quality. The first thing you'll notice about the Agogo Pour-Over Coffeemaker Set is its elegant and minimalist design. Made from durable 3.3mm non-porous borosilicate glass, this coffee maker ensures your brew remains pure without absorbing any odors or chemical residues. The wood neck drip pot adds a touch of sophistication and makes handling the pot easier, even when the coffee is piping hot. If aesthetics are important to you, this coffee maker is both functional and a beautiful addition to your kitchen. 2. No need for disposable filters. One of the standout features of the Agogo Pour-Over Set is the inclusion of a stainless steel filter. You won't have to spend extra money on paper filters, and you're reducing waste, making this an eco-friendly choice. The stainless steel filter is easy to clean and can be reused, ensuring the purest coffee extraction without imparting any flavors from disposable filters. 3. Ease of use. While pour-over coffee is often considered an artisan brewing method, the Agogo Coffeemaker simplifies the process without sacrificing quality. The setup is straightforward, and the included brush and cleaning rags make cleanup a breeze. Even if you're new to the pour-over method, the Agogo set makes the learning curve minimal, allowing you to produce cafe-quality coffee in no time. Performance. Delivering the perfect cup every time. Performance is where the Agogo Pour-Over Coffeemaker truly shines. By controlling the water flow and saturation of the coffee grounds, the pour-over method extracts the rich, full-bodied flavor of your beans. With the Agogo set, you can make up to 8 cups of coffee in a single brew, perfect for entertaining guests or preparing a full carafe for yourself. Number 1. Full flavor extraction. The stainless steel filter ensures that your coffee grounds are evenly saturated, allowing for full flavor extraction. This method brings out the subtle notes and rich textures of your coffee beans, resulting in a balanced, smooth, and aromatic brew. The borosilicate glass guarantees that your coffee's taste remains untainted, preserving its original flavor. Whether you're brewing a single cup or an entire pot, the Agogo Coffeemaker consistently delivers top-tier results. 2. Chilled or reheated, no flavor loss. One of the unique features of the Agogo Pour-Over Coffeemaker is its ability to keep your coffee fresh, whether chilled or reheated. If you make a batch and want to save some for later, the borosilicate glass ensures that the coffee retains its original taste. You won't have to worry about the brew becoming bitter or losing its aroma over time. Simply pour, chill, or reheat as desired. 3. Quick and easy cleanup. Coffee can be a messy business, but the Agogo Coffeemaker simplifies the cleanup process. The stainless steel filter, glass pot, and wood neck are all easy to clean, especially with the included brush and cleaning rags. Just rinse, wipe down, and you're ready for your next brew. To keep your coffee maker in top condition, to clean it immediately after use to avoid any residual stains or coffee oils. How the Agogo Pour-Over Coffeemaker improves your coffee routine. Control over brewing process. Unlike automatic coffee makers that leave little room for customization, the Agogo Pour-Over Coffeemaker gives you full control over the brewing process. You can control the water flow, brewing time, and temperature, allowing you to fine-tune your coffee to your exact preferences. Environmentally friendly. The stainless steel filter eliminates the need for single-use paper filters, making this coffee maker an environmentally friendly choice. By reducing waste and reusing your filter, you're also saving money in the long run. Why you should buy the Agogo Pour-Over Coffeemaker Set? The Agogo Pour-Over Coffeemaker Set Classic Series offers an unbeatable combination of style, performance, and convenience. Whether you're a coffee purist who loves the process of brewing, or someone who wants to enjoy a premium cup of coffee with minimal fuss, this coffee maker delivers on all fronts. With its 3.3mm borosilicate glass construction, reusable stainless steel filter, and easy-to-clean design, the Agogo Pour-Over Set makes brewing quality coffee an effortless experience. The ability to brew up to 8 cups, combined with the stylish wood neck design, makes it a perfect choice for any coffee lover. For anyone serious about their coffee, the Agogo Pour-Over Coffee Maker is a must-have. Not only will it elevate your coffee experience, but it will also add a touch of elegance to your kitchen setup. Ready to brew like a barista? Don't wait. Get your Agogo Pour-Over Coffee Maker Set today and experience coffee the way it's meant to be enjoyed. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.